In Sea Sparkles Corner. Today, my mom is going to show us how she cooks tilapia. She cooks it frozen out of the bag, and she's going to use, this is a 6-quart Nesco, and she puts aluminum on the bottom. It makes it for easier cleanup, protects the pans, and adds to longevity of the Nesco. And there is the fish. One for her and one for I. We're going to show you the prep. She's going to tell you how long it cooks. This is part 1. And then we're going to show you it when it's finished. This is tilapia. It's frozen, it's boneless, and it's already filleted. That's the fillet of tilapia. And this is part 1. The next will be part 2.